Hello, junior high. Next week is a big week. We got homecoming. We're going to have festivities going on most of the week. So I thought for this Friday, maybe we would take a look at something that would help organize your life, which is a big theme in junior high. And what I would like to do is go through how you do a Google Calendar invite. So I prepared a little presentation here, and you can watch this, and then I'll have what I want you to do at the end of the presentation. So this is pretty easy. Some of you may have done it, but I can't live without calendar invites. When I see stuff pop up on my phone, it just helps organize my life. So let's talk about what you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is you will need to go up here to these little dots. You'll click on it and you'll click calendar. And when you get the calendar brought up, then this is kind of the view that you'll see. As you can see, I've already got homecoming week scheduled in for next week. It's September 21st through the 25th. So if we want to add something, and what I want you to do at the end of this is I want you to add the dress up day for each day of the week. And I'm going to show you how to do the first one, but then on your Chromebook, I want you to actually add in for the rest of the week. So the lineup is Monday is PJ Day. So we'll start with that. So I'm going to click right here on the 21st. And that's going to bring up this box right here. And if you notice, you'll see that there's a more options down here. So go ahead and click more options, and that's going to bring up some different things that you can add in here. So we're going to put in Pajama Day. All right, and then down here it gives you the option of that's all day, which is true, but I want you to be reminded of this in the morning. Okay, so when you get up, I want a reminder set that will notify you either by an email or by just a notification that you need to be wearing your pajamas. All right, so I'm going to unclick all day, and I'm going to put the reminder in for, I think you guys probably get up somewhere around 7 o'clock a.m. And then I'm just going to leave it at a half an hour. All right, and this does not repeat. Okay, so if we go down here, we don't need to add a Google Meet video conference. We don't really need a location, but I do want to add a notification because right now you can see it in your calendar, but it won't notify you. So what I want you to do is I want you to put in 2 notifications. So the first one is just a notification, and that's going to come up 10 minutes before the 7 a.m. time you put up here. All right? So that's fine. We'll just leave it. So actually the notification will come up at 6:50 a.m. And that'll come up if you have your email synced on like your cell phone. It'll actually pop up on your cell phone and remind you. But I also want you to add another notification. So instead of that, I want you to do an email. And I want you to do that email for 7 p.m. the night before. So this would be Sunday night. So I'm going to have you put in 12 hours. Instead of minutes, we're going to put in hours. And you should get an email 7 or 12 hours before 7 a.m., which is 7 p.m. So that'll give you a notification the night before. All right, and then if you wanted to put in any other details that might help you, you could. The other thing you could do is maybe if someone isn't around today that you know is absent when you're working through how to do these calendar invites, I want you to add them as a guest, okay? So I could add anybody that I want as a guest. I think Mrs. Majerus, maybe I can. So I'm going to add Teresa Majerus in as a guest. And then all I've got to do is hit save. When I hit save, it's going to say, would you like to send that invitation email to a Google Calendar guest? So do I want to send it to Mrs. Majerus? Yes, I do. So I'm going to hit send. And then in her email inbox, she's going to see that pop up, and she can choose to accept that, or maybe she decides she doesn't want to accept that. Okay, so you can see right here now I've got a calendar invite for Pajama Day at 7 a.m. on Monday. So what I would like you guys to do now is I'd like you to set up on Tuesday. We have Tropic Day, so you're going to do a calendar invite Tropic Day. On Wednesday, it is Western Day. On Thursday, it's Throwback Day. And on Friday, it's Blue Gold Day. All right, so I want you to put a different calendar invite for each day of the week so that you're reminded of what you need to dress up for that day. All right, good luck.